in this video we are going to see how to perform the toggling operation with respect to the 8051 microcontroller I/O pins. So for this I am opening the project, already created project. I am selecting the file name. Toggle open. So this is a very simple toggling of the entire port 1 pins continuously, and we are generating with some undefined delay size, and it will not be an accurate delay. So we cannot measure the exact delay size what has been assigned in the for loop. So we are trying to perform the toggling of the port 1 continuously forever with some delay. So toggle the port 1 forever with some delay in between the on and off. So based on which, first I am assigning a value 55 to the port 1, and we are trying to generate the delay by spending some time on this for loop. So it will be generating some amount of delay, and after this, so this line of code will be executed, and I am sending a value EAA to it. So 55 and EAA will make the port 1 to toggle, so each and every time with the equal amount of delay that has been placed through the inside the for loop. So in order to demonstrate this, so first we are trying to build the target, ensure whether there is any errors or warnings. So in my code, so there is 0 errors and 0 warnings. So then we need to go for the debug menu and start. So if you click on that, you can able to ensure that whether your code is running within the code size limit. So our code size is less than the 2 kilobytes of internal ROM space. So it is running within the code size limit. So we can click OK after that. So then we need to go to the peripherals menu and select the port 1. So I am selecting the port 1 because I am making use of the port 1 in my code. So select the port 1, and if you click the run button, you can able to ensure that the value 55 and EAA will be making you the entire port 1 pins to the toggling state. So the delay in between this toggling of the value 55 and EAA is a inaccurate delay. So we are not making use of any timers or any delay functions in order to estimate the accurate delay size. So which is the delay that has been caused by making use of the for loop is a undefined or some inaccurate delay size. So I hope so this video will be helpful for you to understand how to perform the toggling of the entire port 1 pins of 8051. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.